If you've been trading for a while, you've probably realized one thing. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. Some people use it to write emails, others to create images, and others to write code. But when it comes to trading, most people are still using it the wrong way. They open Claude or ChatGPT and ask something like, "Will Bitcoin go up or down?" Or, "Can you tell me if I should buy SpaceX?" And of course, they receive a generic answer. Because artificial intelligence doesn't have access to their chart, can't see the market in real time, and doesn't know the context. Today, I want to show you something completely different. I'm going to show you how to connect Claude directly to the Altrady platform through the MCP server so it can actually read your trading terminal. We're not talking about a chatbot. We're talking about a professional assistant that can observe the charts in front of you, analyze indicators, read order flow, the order book, help you manage risk, and even evaluate your portfolio. And the most interesting part is that all of this happens through 4 simple prompts. 4 prompts that I personally use and that can dramatically improve your decision-making process. So first, quickly, what is Claude? Claude is Anthropic's AI assistant. Think of it less like a search engine and more like a reasoning partner. Something you can hand a messy problem to and get back a structured answer. It can read documents, analyze data, write and debug code, and hold a real back-and-forth conversation instead of just spitting out a one-shot answer. But the piece that matters for us today is MCP, the Model Context Protocol. MCP connects Claude to the real world. It lets Claude use tools, access APIs, read local files, and trigger custom workflows, giving it a direct line into your digital workspace. Normally, Claude only knows what you type into the chat box. With MCP, it can actually reach out and pull live data from an app you're running. In our case, your trading terminal. Now, what is Altrady? Altrady is an all-in-one crypto trading platform for swing trading across 18+ exchanges, with smart orders and grid and signal bots, used by over 130,000 traders. And recently, Altrady shipped its own MCP server. It connects Altrady to Claude, as well as Cursor, Codex, and Claude Code, through MCP, letting you run your trading account in plain English. Scan markets, analyze charts, manage positions, and prepare trades while you approve every order. Your account effectively becomes a live workspace the AI can read from and act on. Positions, alerts, bots, watch lists, tickers, and all become live context for every request. The MCP server runs locally inside the Altrady desktop app. Your API keys only allow trading, never withdrawals, and your funds never leave the exchange. Okay, now let's connect Claude to Altrady trading platform. First, open Altrady desktop app. On the left sidebar, look for MCP server. That's where the connection lives. Click into it and simply enable it. Once it's enabled, open Claude Code. Back in Altrady, on that same MCP server page, you'll see an option to copy the install prompt. Click it. That copies everything Claude needs to set up the connection on its own. Now, switch over to Claude Code, paste that prompt in, and send it. Claude takes it from there. It runs the setup for you, hands off. No manual configuration, no digging through files. Then just reload Claude, and that's it. Altrady and Claude are now connected through MCP. Now, let me show you all 4 prompts. Here's prompt 1. Read my Altrady terminal like an ICT, Smart Money Concepts analyst working a desk. Base everything on what is visible on the chart and explicitly flag anything that would need a live order book or tick data to confirm. Cover the market structure, the premium and discount zones, the key levels, the liquidity pools, and the overall narrative. End with a one-line bias and the exact price that would flip it. I submit it, and here's what comes back. Claude reads the chart the way a professional would. It tells me the current trend and the last confirmed break of structure and change of character. It marks whether price is sitting in premium, discount, or equilibrium inside the range. It points out the order blocks and fair value gaps that are still unmitigated. It shows me where the obvious liquidity is resting, above old highs, below old lows. And it finishes with one clean line, the bias, and the exact price that would invalidate it. Now, structure alone doesn't tell us everything. It doesn't tell us who's actually in control right now. For that, we move to the second prompt. Read the order flow on my Altrady terminal. Cover delta versus price, the CVD trend, absorption and exhaustion, effort versus result, and who is currently in control. conclude with what the flow implies for the next push, and state clearly what you'd need live tape or DOM data to confirm. And here's what Claude gives back. It tells me whether delta is confirming the price move or quietly diverging from it. It tracks cumulative delta against price and flags any hidden divergence. It points out spots where aggressive buying or selling hit and simply got absorbed with no follow-through. It compares effort to result, because big volume with a small price move tells a completely different story than a small volume with a big move, and it gives me a direct answer. Right now, are buyers or sellers actually in control? This is the layer most retail traders skip entirely. Structure tells you where the fight is happening. Order flow tells you who's winning it. At this point, the analysis is strong, but this is exactly where most traders lose money. Not from bad analysis, but from bad sizing. Here's prompt 3. Act as a risk manager. Given this account size, this max risk per trade, and this setup, entry, stop, and target, compute the position size and notional, the R multiple to target, the win rate needed to break even at this risk to reward, the portfolio heat if this is added to my existing correlated exposure, and what a full stop out, a partial, and a target hit each do to my account equity. Tell me the one risk in this trade I'm most likely underestimating. Keep it quantitative and show the math. Here's what I get back. A precise position size and notional value. The exact R multiple I'm risking to reach the target, and the win rate I'd actually need just to break even at that ratio. How much heat this trade adds to my portfolio if I'm already holding correlated names, and a clear before and after picture of what happens to my equity in each scenario, stopped out, partially closed, or target hit. This is the layer that protects the account. It's the difference between sizing a trade with real numbers and sizing it by gut feeling. Last one, and this is the question almost no retail trader asks. Prompt 4. Decompose this ticker, or this whole portfolio, by factor exposure. Estimate the loadings in high, medium, low, or negative on value, quality, momentum, size, low volatility, and growth. Explain what's driving each one. Then tell me which factor regime helps this position and which one hurts it, whether my current positioning is a factor bet I'm making without realizing it, and what a factor-neutral version of this thesis would look like. And here's what comes back. A full factor breakdown of the position or the portfolio, which factors it's actually leaning on and why, which market regime would help that position and which one would hurt it, whether I'm unintentionally making a bet I didn't realize I was making, and any hidden correlations sitting across my other holdings that isn't obvious just from looking at the tickers. Because owning 3 different names doesn't automatically mean you're diversified. This prompt shows you what you're actually exposed to, not what it looks like on the surface. So that's it, 4 prompts, and Claude goes from a generic chatbot to a full desk sitting behind your trades. This is what AI in trading is supposed to look like. Not a black box guessing at price direction, but a tool that sees exactly what you see and helps you think more clearly about it. If you want to try this yourself, go grab Altrady, connect the MCP server, and run these 4 prompts on your own charts. And if this helped you, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down setups like this regularly, and you won't want to miss the next one.